developing the right systems in business is so critical. It's where a lot of business owners tend to get stuck, hence why they want to clone themselves. Why is that? Because most business owners are very capable at doing the job they do and understand how to do every part of it extremely well. And that's the reason they're in the business they're in, and the reason that they've achieved the level of success they've been able to achieve. But you get to a certain point in business where you can't do more than what you can do. Doing it well, but even at that point, you start to get so overwhelmed and so having too much to do. You've got to be chasing clients, you've got to be doing the work, you've got to be doing the admin, all sorts of things. So unless you start to delegate some of the work you do, you end up running out of steam, and that affects your health, your relationships. A whole lot of things can go wrong if you don't get this right. So the answer to the stress and the challenges of business growth is not to stay small, but to learn how to create the systems in your business to teach other people to do what you can do, and maybe even do it better than you. So what we're going to go through today is a process of orchestrating your business for success. What we're talking about is leverage, and in business, leverage is the key to real success. It's about, leverage is magic in business. It's turning small things into big results, turning your own abilities into multiplied capability to achieve results and deliver results for your clients. Or the parallel is there's lots of time that you would spend in your business doing things that can be done much more efficiently and effectively if you have a system. Yeah, is that what we've learned?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, great. So I reckon that's magic, hey? Who's heard of this definition of insanity? Who was by Albert Einstein? Doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result. I think that business owners operate with a bit of insanity, but I think it's different. Here's my definition of insanity: doing a different thing over and over again and expecting the same result. And isn't that what business owners do? Most business owners are caught in this trap, and a lot of people fall over here, is that they have to actually think through the process again every time they do something, and it takes so much longer and so much more effort to get the result. Whereas if you have to do something more than once, think about how to systemize it so that it's repeatable and predictable. And that's what we're aiming for with systems, is to create predictability and consistency. So the definition of a system is doing the same series of actions over and over again to achieve a predictable result.